Hey guys, this is Logan from Hanks's Hot Rods. Today we have a 2008 Jeep Wrangler X. If you come to the front here, you'll see we have the headlight guards, an aftermarket steel stubby front bumper with a 20-inch light bar, a Ramsey 8,000-pound winch. This Jeep is sitting on a 4-inch lift with all upgraded heavy-duty steering components, adjustable quick disconnect sway bar links, riding on 17-inch Pro Comp MT wheels with Baja 37-inch MTZ tires. For lighting, we have these LED pod lights on the windshield, diamond tread aftermarket running boards. Go ahead and look inside. See, we have Paracord grab handles. And on the window pillar to the left, you'll see we have all the switches for the gauges, LED lights, and winch. This is the gray cloth seats, manual crank windows, black carpet with the Quadratec weather mats. Come around back and see we have the matching tail light guards, a full-size matching spare, and a hitch receiver on the bumper. Clean cargo area in the back. This is a newly put on Smittybuilt soft top. Come up here, you'll see that the mirrors have been relocated onto the body so that you can take the doors off legally. We'll take a look on this side. It's a manual 6-speed transmission. As always, clean Carfax offered with this car. Go ahead and take a look under the hood. This is a 2008 model, so it has the 3.8, 76,000 miles. We'll go ahead and start it up for you guys.